This week's composing trick is all about spiccato ostinato. They actually go really well with the driving guitar from last week, so check that out if you're interested. Now, apparently B-roll footage should have been me doing something normal, so here I am collecting no mail from the postbox because some comedian thinks it's funny to put the flag up for no reason. Anyway, Steve has actually been helpful this week and he's come up with some ostinato patterns for us to use. Let's take that pattern and program it into Logic. I'm using a spiccato patch from BBC SO and it sounds like this in C major. For a bit more realism, we can accent the downbeats of each phrase. Of course, you can do this for whichever chord you need. Let's turn this into C minor by dropping the E to E flat. For a bigger sound, you can layer it with violin 2 and also viola an octave lower. Also cello if you need it. And if you want more of an accent, you could use a close mic'd violin like the leader. I think Steve's got another variation for us. Let's try that. And a third, this time with repeating notes. Remember, you don't have to change the note being played. And you don't need to play on every beat of the bar. Experiment, have fun. I hope you found that useful. Steve says he's going to finish editing the video for me, but wants 3 string stabs recorded for some reason. Anyway, see you next time.